Hello, everybody. Today, we are going to go over a fairly difficult concept that can be used to determine the minimum of roots. Let's say we wanted to find the minimum of the quadratic x squared plus 2x plus 5. We basically want to find the value of x such that it is the lowest possible. We use a strategy called completing the square to be able to find the value of x that makes it the smallest. What we basically want to do is turn this into an equation that has a shape of x plus a squared equals to b. This is because the squared part is always positive, no matter what you square. So when this part is 0 is when the equation will be the lowest. Let's use our example above here. We're trying to find x plus a squared equals to b. We can try to factor this top part as x plus 1 squared equals to b, but then this would be x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to b. Initially, we can set this to 0 and move the 5 to the other side, which equals to -5. Because likewise, this should be equal to this equation at the top. Therefore, we need to subtract 5 from this side. However, we also added another plus 1 to complete the square here. So we also need to subtract that. So this becomes x plus 1 squared equals to -6. Now, we need to square root both sides to get rid of this. So we get x plus 1 equals to square root 6i. Plus minus square root 6i, because both of these squared is equal to -6. Therefore, we get x equals to -1 plus minus square root 6i. Let's try another example. Here we have x squared plus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. We first half this to find this part. So we get x plus 2 squared equals to b. This turns into x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals to b, where b is -6 because of this part. And then we just subtract 4 from both sides because we added a 4 here to complete the square. Therefore, we get x squared plus we get x plus 2 squared equals to -10. We square root both sides to get x plus 2 equals to 10i. We square root both sides, get I square root 10 plus minus, and then we subtract 2 from both sides to get x equals to 2 plus minus I square root 10. Thank you for watching and have a great day.